Understanding starstruck, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, starstruck. This idiom is commonly used in English, and understanding it can add flavor to your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and discover what being starstruck really means. The phrase, starstruck, refers to being completely overwhelmed or awed by meeting or seeing a famous person. It's a feeling of admiration and excitement, often mixed with nervousness. The term, star, here represents a celebrity, and struck suggests being hit by this overwhelming feeling. It's like suddenly finding yourself in the presence of someone you greatly admire and feeling a mix of joy, surprise, and disbelief. Understanding the origins of idioms can make them easier to remember. Starstruck likely originated in the 20th century, with the rise of cinema and Hollywood. As ordinary people got more opportunities to see or meet famous actors and actresses, this phrase became a popular way to describe their reactions. It vividly captures the feeling of being momentarily dazzled by a celebrity's presence. To effectively use starstruck in a conversation, you can refer to instances when someone is visibly excited or nervous around celebrities. For example, when I met my favorite author, I was completely starstruck and could barely speak. The fans were starstruck when the famous singer walked into the room. While starstruck is unique, there are similar expressions you might hear. Phrases like in awe, mesmerized, or enamored can convey a similar sense of admiration or fascination, although they're not limited to celebrities. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase starstruck confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this add color and expressiveness to your language skills. Keep practicing, and you'll be impressing others with your fluency in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.